Welcome to our channel Civil Site Information. Today in this video I will tell you how to convert PDF drawing into AutoCAD. So let's start. You have to go insert. So here you can check PDF import. Click here, import PDF. So I have some PDF. You can pick someone. Let's suppose this one. Open it. Here you have to check these 3 points: join line and arc segment, convert solid files to hatch, apply lightweight properties. Should be select these 3 points, then OK. You can see here our PDF is converting into AutoCAD files. It will take us some seconds. You can check it processing here. So we will get the files. It is converted into AutoCAD file. That is a very basic thing. So the other one, there is an alternative method. You can place command here, import, and also place the file PDF and import and convert it into AutoCAD. That is very basic thing. You can check it. Here is the conversion process of PDF file into AutoCAD file. It will take some few seconds or maybe 1 minute. So now you can check it. Our PDF file is converted into AutoCAD file. We have yes, you can check. You can edit it now, because you can't edit the PDF file. Let's suppose this is our PDF. You can check it. It is converted into CAD file. That is very basic thing. There is another way. Let's suppose I have to show you. I can add a new file. Here you can command import command. Okay, select any other file. Let's suppose there is some PDF I have. This one is a PDF CAD file. Open it. Then same process. You can check these 3 marks and then OK. So it will take sometimes. Yes, you can check. Here is the converting process. So that is the very basic thing. Thank you so much. If you are new on our channel, kindly subscribe our channel. If I will upload any other informative video related to construction field, related to AutoCAD, you will get a notification. Thank you so much.